Watch my hand here. Twist it a little bit. Look at that.
Man stuck in there. Jesus Christ.
Hey, little kitty.
Ooh, look at that. Whoa.
It has been an insane couple weeks, and we found this house that, well, you know, this is what happens when you just do aesthetics inside, forget about the mechanicals, don't do proper installation, and then hire some clown to put in a system that isn't right for the house. So, yeah, check it out. There's a little kid in here too that's hilarious. So we had some fun with him. All right, like and subscribe. Well, take a look at this. See the other houses? See the houses, how they got snow on the roof? See the neighbor's house, how they got snow on the roof? Now, you know you got some kind of problem when, hey, look, neighbor, snow on the roof. Look at this. Oh my God. And you could see, man, how far do I got to go back to see the roof? I mean, you can see that part of the roof. No snow at all. We're losing all kinds of heat in the duct system here. Look at that. Oh my God. The gutter's like, Jesus, that is an icicle. Wow. I feel like I'm touching the Antarctic. I'm right at the Arctic shelf, for crying out loud. Yeah, that's a problem. Definitely a problem. Let's walk this way. Yeah, look across the street. Everybody's house has snow on it. That is good insulation. Beautiful, wonderful insulation. Let's zoom in. We got the super phone, so I can probably see if somebody's in there doing something weird. But yeah, see all that? And then we come here, and what do you see? Look at that. You think there's a problem? You think we're losing some heat? Again, snow on everybody's roof. And then you see this. Amazing. All right, let's go inside. Let's go inside and see what we can see. Oh, gosh. Oh no. Is nobody home? Oh no. I don't think they're here. Maybe they froze to death. Look at this. It's an old mailbox. Just slide it right in there. Amazing. I think they gave up and took off. Oh boy. I'm going to shut this off for a second. Oh goodness, look at this. There's another angle of the place. Oh my God. Yep, see? No snow. And gigantic icicles. It's melting, coming down, and freezing. Everybody else, they've all got snow on their roofs. Good insulation. Not here. Not here. Good gracious. Wow. So that's a good indicator for you. And again, they put a 70,000 BTU 80%er in this house. It just ain't doing it. They're losing a lot of heat through the duct system. Alright, so you can see the space here. Just walking around. And, you know, nice high ceilings. A lot of open space here. A lot of open space. Tons of open space. Oh, we got a fireplace maybe. Might have to get that thing going. I suggest bathrooms back here and bedrooms back here, right? Yeah, there's a bedroom over there and whatnot. And we go down this way. And what do we find, ladies and gentlemen? What do you think? Look at that thing. It looks like a toy.
Saying I am asking you a question. What is it? What?
Hey, Mommy, I have a question. I have a question now, Mommy. I didn't know my house had been added. I didn't know.
Jesus.
I didn't know.
Ducks are huge because it's... This is what it is. There's no insulation, everything's torn off. Look, and he got some water. See that? That's going to be frozen in about 20 minutes. That's great. Little feeding station there, and they got 3 little homes over there. Whoever this person is, they're very nice. What am I looking at? Oh, look. Here comes another one. Oh my God, look. Here comes another one. Wow. Everybody's coming for some food. Should be enough in there. I don't know if they'll come over here. Oh, look, this one. They're a little scared. The old humans there. Oh, boy. They'll get some food. It is freezing out here, so you always want to make sure that a kitty can get a meal. Always, always, always. Alright, so here we are inside, and as you can tell, you can actually see the footprint of the old furnace that was much, much bigger. And I remember it here too, and you can see this big duct that it has here, down to this little tiny furnace. And the guy, he thought he was slick. He wiped out the data. Look how the data goes, and then, uh-oh, we got a blank spot. It looks like somebody wiped it out right where the heating data is. And when we look at it, it's only a 70,000. See that? 80% efficient, and then it goes 1UH 070. And it's putting out about 58,000 BTUs. Can't keep up the actual house here. We'll look at the thermostat. These 4 people just moved in. And they got heaters out, trying to heat up, and the place is cold as can be, and they can't get it past 56. And this is the problem you run into. It just is what it is. Here's us. I was standing right there looking inside, and yeah, house is really, really big, you know. Little furnace like that, a few high ceilings, you know. There's back bedrooms and everything else, so I don't want to show nobody or nothing, but that is definitely the situation here. How can I do this? Menu. Yeah, cancel. Yeah, we're just going to turn it down, shut the furnace off. What we're going to do until we can get a bigger furnace in here, because it is so cold, is to actually just open this plenum up. Oh, sorry. We're going to open this plenum, and... Oh, it just shut off. Yeah, I shut it down just so we can work on it real quick. Yeah. We'll just open that plenum and pour heat into here. Look at that. That might be an idea. What's that? What, this? Yeah. Yeah, but they wrapped it around, but... You see, we got to blanket off so it comes this way somehow. We'll see. Let me get the thing going here. I don't know what's happening. No, I'm trying to fix this thing. I think I saw Godzilla.
Is that you guys?
I think I saw Godzilla upstairs.
Where?
Upstairs, that Godzilla. Did you see Godzilla?
Where?
Remember yesterday? He was upstairs.
Those upstairs.
You remember?
Yeah. I know. Oh, what's the problem? I know what happened. You should not go upstairs. Because there's a monster Godzilla.
Godzilla!
Yeah, I had a Godzilla.
You know,
I had a broken radio.
Godzilla's a friend to all children. But not Godzilla -1. He was real mean.
What did he mean about?
He's gonna eat King Ghidorah. And King Kong.
What's that Godzilla -1 upstairs?
Godzilla -1, it's his brother. Godzilla -2.
Godzilla -2?
And then they got together. It was Godzilla -3.
I said Godzilla.
Who's your favorite monster?
Godzilla.
Oh, there you go. Alright. That was way too funny.
What do you want to do? Tape off this little bit over there.
Way too cute.
You want to put a piece of tape down?
Yeah, I gotta tape it up right here. Godzilla
Yeah.
I think that you can you beat up Godzilla?
No, he's too strong for me.
He's too strong for you.
Yes, but sea monsters are trash.
Oh my goodness. You're way too funny.
What about Godzilla?
Oh my god.
Godzilla.
Blah 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 blah.
Godzilla versus Kong the New Empire.
He was in Godzilla which movie?
The New Empire.
Well, doesn't it seem like Godzilla could just melt his wings off?
What?
Well, Mothra's wings, you know, like a butterfly wings. Don't you think that?
Butterfly ring?
Don't you think that Godzilla could melt?
I don't know the color Mothra.
But Mothra's wings are weak. Godzilla could light them on fire with his breath, right?
But why?
Because Mothra's he's just a moth.
Just a moth. Are you serious?
There's gonna be Monster Blah Blah's coming. Oh my god, it was too funny. Okay, we did this to just try to block that off so we could blow heat in the house. And I had to crawl back through the space. And I'm looking, he didn't replace the flue up there. Half of it's rotted. It's only new to there. Then he stopped. And then, you know, I'm looking at the shitty work and stuff. And then I look down, and what do I see? This is not from this homeowner. So, yeah, you know, drinking on the job, slapping a dude's thumbs the furthest in. And air. Yeah, the air's only like 2 times. And, yeah, that's... Wow. Oh, God. Who's that? Monster Blah Blah?
There's another monster movie.
Where?
Look with his old grandmother.
Who? Grandma? Grandma's a monster?
No. Grandmother.
Oh, I gotta get out. Godzilla's got me by the leg. Oh, he's got me by the leg. I think I can't get away. He's just a little Godzilla, though. I think it's Godzilla's younger brother. He's so small, that Godzilla. Here we go. We went back in the hole. Oh my God. I made it. We sealed him in. He's behind this hole over here. I got him. We sealed him in the hole.
The death sickle. This is what'll kill somebody. Oh my God.
The kid there threw me off at the end of the video, but what ended up happening was, as you saw, we blanked off the plenum and just directed all the heat into the home. They're getting the attic insulated now. Apparently there's some duct wrappers up there. I don't know if we're going to be back to put in a bigger furnace. They might not like my price, but you know, that's the way it goes. Yeah, and you know, people do die from bicycles every year. So, you know, take that very seriously, and see you on the next one.